Hello guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can listen to Spotify offline. So without further ado, let's begin. So to listen to Spotify offline, what you're going to do is to download the music that you want. You can search the music that you want or you can choose from these options. Now let's say for example, I want to download my playlist. So what I'm going to do is just to tap on this arrow down button. This is the icon for download. Just tap on this to download all the songs on your playlist. But you have to remember that for us to download this playlist, we need to pay for subscription. So we need to get the premium subscription on Spotify. To download any songs or playlist on Spotify, we need to pay for a premium subscription. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.